Alright, here's part 2 of, oh, actually it's gonna be my 4th Plant No Kiseki unboxing thing, but part 2 of the last one, the last video at least, since I got the volume 8 and 9 together, and I just did the 8 one, and now I'm gonna do the volume 9 unboxing review. This is what it looks like. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Here are the figurines. I believe this is Fuma, which is, he's from the X anime series and also X 1999 manga. And yes, he's the Dragon of Earth. There you go, the front cover. He also has the ribbon sash thingy. Oh yeah, that's also his rubbery part. The back view, side, front, and yes, once again the detailing. It's really nice. Look at that sword. Focus. But yeah, it'll focus later. He is, oh, are there like 2 black king chess piece for the black chess pieces? Alright. Settle and be happy with these. I already have this one, so yep, here's again another black Makona. I showed Miyuki. I think her name's Miyuki. She's from the Miyuki-chan in Wonderland thing. I believe that's her. I haven't watched or read this series, though I have for all the other clamp ones. Side, look at her running with toast, typical stereotypical like shoujo scene where she's running with toast in her mouth and her little, oh, don't flash, her little bag. Ah, I flashed, oops, okay. There she is, once again. Sculpt and everything is in great condition. Everything's good, I love it. It's just cute. I like the little bunny too. Thing that comes with. The back. And here's the actual cover. I'll go from bottom up. That's Seishiro. He's from Tokyo Babylon. But he also is shown in the X series / X 1999 manga. Yeah, that chick was Miyuki-chan, I was right. Why such a suggestive pose, but yeah, there you go. Oh wow, that's Kotori-chan, the childhood friend, sister of Fuma, damn, I forgot his name already, and childhood friend of Kamui. It's so pretty, you can pause it if you want to look. Oh, he's like, monk type thing. Oh, and this is Tsubaru and Seishiro from Tokyo Babylon, except they're a bit older in here, and I prefer this older version of them more. And this is how they appear in the X series / and also X / 1999 manga. Oh, so beautiful. Which character is this? Forgot his name. And Arashi. She's so pretty. I don't know his name. Oh, scene, Subaru diving to Kamui's heart, calls him back to reality. Oh, I just love their bromance. But sadly, Subaru is in love with Seshiro, so as much as they care about each other. Wait, they're both Kamuis. Why the hell did he not have a full name then? Okay, I don't know. Okay. Here's another scene. It's not what you think it is. Not revenge, because he doesn't... Seshiro doesn't know just how much Subaru loves him. Some spoilers, if anything. Okay, I remember now. They liked each other, but they were from opposing teams. From Dragons of Heaven, Dragon of Earth. Oh, they were the sweetest couple. One of my sweetest ones that I liked. Spoiler alert. The dying words whispered into his ear. Yeah. Subaru kills Seshiro. But he didn't intend to. It's because the spell backfired that his sister casted. And yeah, but unintentionally. Should read the manga to find out what happened and why. How did it come to be like that? Yeah. It's a bit, most of the females, it's a bit, yeah. From Miyuki-chan in Wonderland. Yeah, it's a bit sexy. Okay, next. This beautiful artwork. Illustration, the night sky, snowy night sky, and there's a wolf, and I think she's like the Yuki snow ghost, one of the snow, I forgot the name. There you go. Camp School Defenders. I actually really like them. Camp School Detectives. Even though the romance between certain characters kind of like iffed me because of like, oh, what love do you know? You like preschool character and one elementary schooler, so 4th, 5th graders, I can't take them seriously. I don't know, man. But aside from that, just the friendships and the stories, the storyline's good, so regardless of anything else is good. I actually want to try reading Paranormal Investigators, whatever that is. Okay, my hand's shaking because I'm tired. Okay, I already did that one in my last video, so just go through my old videos if you want to see. And that's it. The book. I forgot that was even Seshiro because I'm so used to seeing him in his glasses. But apparently that's him. And yeah. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.